Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volkswagen Jetta key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is standard for many key fobs, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small and delicate. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Hold the fob firmly and locate the seam where the two halves meet. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once separated, set one half aside. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. This simple process will have your Volkswagen Jetta key fob functioning like new.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.